Hi Space NK, I'm Isamaya Ffrench, I'm the founder of Isamaya Beauty, and today I'm going to give you your 5 must-try beginner makeup tips. So first of all, it's about prepping that skin and creating the perfect base for your makeup. So I love to use the microbial gel and also the sculpting tool to prime your skin. This microbial gel is an incredible primer. It's a probiotic shot for your skin, so it helps to really nourish, soothe, protect and enhance your skin and works as a wonderful primer. So I like to apply it all over the face like this, and it creates a really lovely, smooth, gliding base that then I can go in with my sculpting tool and work to increase the circulation, to smooth out lines, and to really warm up the skin so it's ready for your makeup application. That feel okay? Yeah, okay. If you're like me and you like a lovely, sheer, natural base and you don't want a heavy foundation, I absolutely love using colour correcting serums. Now these come in 6 different shades and target all sorts of skin issues, from rosacea to acne to hyperpigmentation, discoloration, dullness and dryness. So these have pearlescent pigments in that help to add a bit of luminosity to the skin. Today I'm using pistachio. Now this has a soft wash of green, and this will actually help to counteract any redness in the skin. So just to cover up any rosacea or acne marks, it's really the perfect product. And you can see that I'm just using it topically on the areas that need it. This is a great product to wear as a standalone product if you want that very sheer, subtle finish, or if you want to put it under your normal makeup like your foundation or concealer, it can work to just enhance and cancel out unwanted tones. My next tip is all about sculpting. Now these are effortless sculpting sticks. You can use them all over the face, you can use them on cheekbones, nose, lips, eyes. They do so much, and they contain ceramides, so they blend really, really nicely. Now I'm going to show you where I like to use them. I'm going to do a couple of little lines just underneath the cheekbones here, and I'm going to just take my finger and blend upwards, and you can see how easily these products blend out. So if you're a bit of a nervous contourer, you really don't have anything to worry about, because you can just blend and keep adding if you want more definition. Today I'm using oak, which is a great all-rounder if you're a fair to medium skin tone, but if you have a deeper skin tone, I love to use ash or mahogany for a warmer, richer contour. Next I'm going to do nose, so I'm just going to do 2 little lines either side of the nose bridge here, and again just gently pat it out with my finger, and that will create a really nice natural contour. And then for the eyes, I really like to just wipe it across the lid and blend it out with my finger, and you can really go as heavy as you like because it blends out to such a lovely, soft, natural, sculpted feeling. And sometimes I like to mix my sculpting sticks up, so I might work with the shade that I've used on the cheeks and then go in with something a little bit deeper. We even have a black, which is fantastic if you want to do that black smoky eye look. And lastly, I love to use it around the lips and jawline to create more definition and enhance your lip. So I'm going to put it just under her lips like this, and just around the top, and I'm going to just blend it out like this to a really, really soft shadow. And it's great as the first step before you do any lip. Actually, you could do something very natural like a lip balm, or you could even go in with a colour, but just applying it around that lip line will help to enhance the lip shape. Next I'm going to be using the Skin Duo. Now this is another great multifunctional, multi-use product. I'm going to use it on the cheeks, the lips and the eyes, and it has 2 different textures. So the colour has a kind of silky, velvety, demi-matte texture, and the highlighter is really glowy. It has a few little dispersed pigments in to pick up and reflex, and it looks incredible again on the lids or any high points of the face. I also like to mix it up and put a little bit of the blush tone on the lids, just in the centre and into the brow bone. I think it's nice to bring the colour into 2 different areas of the face. It adds a bit more kind of colour harmony and can help to just accentuate the features. And now I'm going to use this lovely dewy highlighter. I'm going to pop it on the cheekbones, up into the brow bone, and just on the tip of the nose. So finally, to really elevate and kind of level up your makeup look, I just love to use a transparent gloss, and I'm going to use it here on the lids and in the centre of the lips. And there's just nothing like it, especially in summer, for that lovely high shine bounce. So this has a precision tip, so you can be really precise with where you put it. I like to apply it with my finger, and I'm just going to go over the entire lid like this. Now this is a great product because it has a brown algae extract that actually hydrates the skin and keeps it really plump and hydrated. So great around the eyes and the cheekbone area, which has delicate skin. I'm also going to pop it in to the center of her lips for a really nice, juicy lip look. And it's such a lovely product that really will last all day. So that was my 5 beginner-friendly makeup tips.